The science of rejuvenation is very, very clearly articulated in my book, Eat, Taste, Heal. You can get this book on Amazon. You can get it by calling the clinic. The science of rejuvenation is actually quite ancient, even though we're now using human cellular tissue products or stem cells or exosomes or all these cool things that we're using in our practice. The principles have been around for centuries, since the beginning of time. So if you grab a copy of my book, Eat, Taste, Heal, you can go to page 65 and read about how food becomes your body. And this is really, really important. When it comes to bones and cartilage, gnawing on a bone like a dog is not going to give you healthier bones. It's not going to give you healthier joints.